Free PayPal money instantly. That's what we'll be talking about today. Almost instantly. You gotta do a couple things first. But let's check these out. But first, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I have hundreds of videos on my back catalog about making money online. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. I upload quite frequently and all kinds of little techniques here and there. Big money, small money. The big money, you gotta do a lot more work. Small money, you do a little work. Anyways, let's take a look at this. This is a technique that I've been doing for a while now, and it's pretty much affiliate marketing, referral marketing, influencer marketing, whatever you want to call it. Let's take a look. So this is my Venmo account. Of course, this is called PayPal money, but I want to show you something here, an app that I've been using called Dosh. Dosh has paid me $30. Dosh has paid me $26. Dosh has paid me $35. Dosh has paid me $28. Dosh has paid me $35, $35, and so on and so forth. It goes on and on and on. I'm not going to show you every little detail because there's a lot. So basically, there's an app that I use called Dosh. Let's check it out. And the reason you could do this, there's a lot of apps, by the way, that will pay you to refer people to these apps. And this is just one I use. And yes, I'm referring you to this app. And if you use my link, we each can get something out of it. I will get $5 for referring you, and you can get something out of it as well. Basically, this is an app that's available for iOS and Android. You connect your debit cards and your credit cards to it. And then when you shop out, you get money back at different places that you shop at. So it's pretty cool. But I use it mostly for referring people. I do have it set up. I do get cash back. I don't do anything out of the ordinary that I would not shop at. There's a bunch of stores down here that you can check out. And like I said, there's lots of apps like this that will pay you to refer people. I'm showing you this one. I'll show you some more in a second here. But this is one I've been making some decent money with. And when you get the money, you're able to transfer it to your PayPal account, Venmo, as I just showed you, or your bank account, or you can even donate to charity if you want to, which is pretty cool. And it's that simple. And here's what you do. Well, first of all, let's take a look at the ratings here in the iOS store. So we have over 100,000 rankings, and we got a 4.7 out of 5. So pretty cool. Of course, there's usually some bad reviews as well, but 4.7, that's pretty high. So it's really good ratings on both iOS and Android. And basically, what you're going to do to get your referrals, very quick and easy. You go on YouTube, you make a quick video, Dosh app review. Look at all these. You could name it Dosh app review. Is it a scam? Dosh app review, 5 ways to earn cash back, blah, blah, blah. You could even name it something else, free PayPal money. There's all kinds of ways to do it. And you just refer people to these kind of apps. That's all you got to do. Now, I do recommend doing some keyword research to find a nice keyword to use for your titles and stuff. But when you're doing apps, especially if you can find newer apps too, when you get the newer apps, that's a bonus because not too many people have made reviews for them. There's probably, who knows how many videos on this app already. I've made a few myself, so on and so forth. But again, there's so many apps, even like Uber and Lyft have referral programs, Airbnb. You just go on YouTube, make a quick video about it, and so on and so forth. Here's another website you can promote your referral links on. I'm going to show you my other cash apps that I recommend promoting right here. I'll put a link for all this stuff down below. In fact, there's Dosh right there. There's another app for cash back from Uber and Lyft. It's just a completely different app. You can sign up for that as well. Of course, I guess, again, I do affiliate marketing. These are all referral links that I'm showing you here. You get free stocks. You can refer people to Robinhood and Webull to get free stocks. You can refer people to Pi Network. Rakuten's another one. You get $10. If you use my link, then when you refer people, you get $25. So it's a very easy way to make money. You don't have to put too much time in it. A Cash App, everyone has Cash App these days. So if you can refer more people to it, you'll get $5 to get people to sign up. All kind of different apps. A really cool way to do it. You just make a quick video about it, throw it up on YouTube, and get referrals. And then you can make another video about it, in a week or so. Do as many of these apps as you want. Go on your iOS store, whatever, Android store. find these different apps and refer people to them. Obviously, you got to get the app yourself to get your referral link. Again, I've been using Dosh for this for a while, and I've been making some cool cash out of it. A lot of people sign up for it with my referral code. This is Pi, sorry. Here we go. Use my referral code GregK21, and you're gonna get going. Link your debit card, your whatever you shop with, and whenever you shop out, you're gonna get cash back at the different stores that they have affiliated with. I do a bunch of apps. Again, like I said, I use Rakuten, I use Dosh, I use a bunch of different ones. I get cash back from all these different apps. It's great, and then I refer people to these apps, and I get more money. So a really quick way to do it. Again, that is all for today. I will talk to you soon. Check out my hundreds of other videos I have online. Bye bye.